Friday night yet. Get freaky on a Friday night yet.
What it tastes.
Get freaky on a Friday night yet. On a Friday night yet. Get freaky on a Friday night yet.
One hand and dribble the skin. Soft hook left hand, I can make your neck spin. 36-inch chain till say I don't play. Ice touching gums as my tennis bat breaks. I'll be taking all the miles while they're jogging in place. kumquat. Don't be sour, I'm just crushing the grapes. Take another sip of pain, no cause or lace. Got another up my sleeve, past the gold cuff links. Digital stick, 30 seconds a split. Smoking like a Pinto or a lab experiment. I'll be calling all the shots, be it Curry or Kobe. I got a fast tongue, so I know your girl know me. Claws in the neck, I'm hot just like the Yomi. The mic is in my hand and I will not. I stay strong.
You're hot. You take it in the ass?
3, 2, 1, go!
You're hot. You take it in the ass?
Chain till TSA.
Three, two, one, go!
Glad to be back in Philly, though the rain makes it chilly. Maybe if we had some coal, start a fire, keep us warm.
Don't phrase it, mistaken, playing with fire is dumb. Unless you know a thing or two, then I'll take you as one. They call me Mr. Pyromaniac. I've had a lot of experience and setbacks, but now I'm back on track. Don't get me wrong, I like fire more than anyone's mom. I'm talking bombs, dynamite, play nice, I won't get it on ya.
Don't get you wrong, you love fire more than anyone's mom. You're talking bombs, lighters, dynamites, and flamethrowers,
I'm
yeah.
level-headed, I'm top of the game. Don't be like my brother Pico, he's an idiot when it comes to these things.
You're level-headed, you're top of the game. Don't be like Pico, nah, I met him, he was A-okay.
Listen man, you don't be like me in elementary. The penitentiary took up some bomb smoke, I had a bad show.
Listen up, man, you wasn't wise back in elementary. You played some bomb smoke, you had a bad show.
They threw me up into the chamber with 5 years on my name. We wasn't back in the school, my friend, this wasn't a game.
That sounds scary, wouldn't wanna be me. I know it's best to stay away from things I can't oversee.
See, you get it, you take your way around the situation, then you benefit better than being a bully. You a sentimentalist, and I know I still play with fire, but it's better to use the knowledge you acquire. Now listen to me, don't play with fire if you don't know how to, that is.
Don't play with fire if I don't know how to, that is.
Just wanna protect you, I don't mean to get up in your biz.
Just want me safe, though you're not trying to get up in my biz.
I know you know me from Pico, but even he agrees it's cool to
Soft to spin, 36-inch chain till tears say I don't play.
Three, two, one, go!
Whip it. Twist. Whip it. Spin 36-inch chain till tears say I don't play. Ice to the skin.
Oh, you want something easier? Okay, why don't you just go take a nap in your crib? Man, get ready to fire! Ah, god damn it. Well, I should just squeeze your nuts off, but let's rock!
3, 2, 1, go!
Hey.